Welcome to Chart Traders. Today I am going to build a scanner that is based on price and volume breakout. For example, consider this chart as shown in figure, that is a chart of Acer motor on a 15-minute. Okay, now here you can see the close is higher than previous 15 to 20 candle. Okay, and also the volume is higher than your 20 days moving average volume. Okay, so I want to generate an alert when this condition will achieve, because it shows some bullishness in terms of price as well as in terms of volume, because price is close higher than 10 candle, that is 150-minute approximate, and the volume is higher than your 20 days exponential moving average on a volume. Okay, so it gives a bullishness in a stock and I want to generate alert. So in a streak, okay, just go to scanner. I have already created. Okay, so I am going to apply on Nifty 100. Time frame is 15 minute and the chart type is candlestick. So what is the condition? Close is higher than period max 20, means close of current candle is higher than closes of last 20 candles. Okay, so if you are going to consider period max function, it will give maximum close value among last 20 candle. Okay, and today's close is higher than last 20 uh, close of last 20 candle. Also another condition is volume of current candle is higher than moving average on a volume and a simple. Okay, you can here take exponential also, but I will select simple. Okay, now we will scan for stock. Okay, so HCL Tech, ICICI Pru Life, Sri Cement. Okay, so we can check out HCL Tech. (15-minute) chart. Okay, simple. Okay, so today close is higher than last 20 candles and volume is also higher. Okay, so you can generate streak. In a streak you can generate alert based on your indicator. Okay, so today we have seen a scanner that will scan for price and volume breakout. Okay, thank you.